Hi guys, since this week we didn't had any group hack, I was thinking to show you another Fable game. This time the Minesweeper game. So I prepared a little script to run in my PowerShell to be easier to go on without losing time on typing that. So it's creating a new folder Minesweeper. We'll uninstall the Fable emission template and we'll reinstall that template. We'll create a new project in the current folder. We'll instantiate a new Git repo and commit the initial file. We'll restore the JavaScript dependencies, and after that the .NET dependencies, and we'll start monitoring the folder, and on every change we'll rebuild the project, and the output will be a page hosted on 8080. At some point we'll start the code editor, so we have to wait. Super. That means that right now is starting the webpack and is building the application for the first time. We will wait for it. Actually, open already. Sorry for that. So the application has finished building, and the output is a single page application. We will not use it, but it's a good start for something more complex. Is a view. What we will use, something interesting here, is the font awesome pictograms, because we need to use something for the bombs and the flags. So let's see where that code is. So it doesn't have a view. Let's see. The application is the starting point. Probably is the navbar. Yeah, this thing will show an icon, and font awesome icon. Super. So we'll start by deleting everything. First, we'll start with the project. Let's see what files I will need to have. I will need to have 2 more files, I think. Will be game logic, implementation details actually will reside in the game logic. Actually, this will be a state, and I will need a view. So our application will be composed by types, the types defined for the application, the game logic, the state, the view, and the application. Okay. Let's create then the game logic file. Actually, yeah, game logic. So I have application, game logic, state types. I'm missing the view. I will take this and ouch. Copy and paste. I have everything I need, so this can be deleted. Okay. The global, I don't need it. Super. Let's see. I don't want all this. Interesting. I didn't notice until now that it's a link between the SAS classes and interesting. I learned something today. I will keep the root for the signature. But that thing, I don't like it, the name root. I'll call it view. I don't want that single page application thing, so I remove that. Yeah, this I will not use like this because I don't know how at the moment, and I don't want to lose time on that right now. I want to be as succinct as possible, and I call it view. And let's have a simple text. And starting thing. Minesweeper. Okay. Making a word. The types space this. The state space this. In the game logic space this, and in the application space. Okay. So this is my Minesweeper application. This will use the state. We use the view also. This is not needed anymore. I need to create the init and update it. Okay, this is done. This, I think I can remove it, but I will leave it for the moment. So let's do the types first. delete word. I will have what kind of messages will the user, the application understand. Doing this actually, I want to the stage. We know about the types, and we'll know game logic. This will be a stage, and come on. I will delete the rest. Types, stage, the game logic. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Close all files. Fable. Let's see. The F# project is not open for me. Let's start with the first file in the types. So I don't need that. Yeah, I closed all the files because I don't know how to change the spacing before it was 2. So what kind of messages the user will send? The user will send a reveal of box index that will be a name, and flag mine of box index that will be also on actually, let's do this. It'll be a lot easier to understand. So type box index, and I have something like this. And now the model. The model will keep the game state, and the game state will be a game state that will be discriminated union with the game running, the game 1 or the game lost. I will need to have the map that will be a collection of boxes, and because I need to address a box by its index, I will make it an array. So will be a box state array, and I will need a state for all the user actions. But I don't want to record the events per se. I want to record a snapshot after the last user action. So that will be a collection of will be a dictionary, a map of let's call it reveal will be a map of box index and reveal state. And my reveal state will be either open or plugged mine. And my box state will be either a mine or a number. If that number is 0, I don't want to show 0, I want to show empty. So empty or mine proximity of number of mines neighbor mines. So this is let's see, this scaling for the moment. Right. Okay, never mind. We'll see later if it's building. Right now we are still working on it. So this will be the types involved in my my game. The application needs an init and an update. The view is already provided here. Let's create the init and the update. The init will need to return a model, and for the moment will be an empty map. Game state will be running, and revealed will be an empty map of box index and revealed state. Okay, I don't need those. And that will also return on an empty column. I'm sorry, this is an array. So I need to open finish for that command to be visible. So this is the first. This is the first thing, the init. So the init is to receive an argument something. So let's do it like this for the moment. That means I solved this issue. And the update must be something that is receiving a message, a model, and will return something like the init. Let's do that. So let's update of message a model and it's an init like that. Let's see. It's containing um, the types. Only fine. Let's check out the types then. Super types. Now that is still not given, and model. What is the init signature? Date. Oh, I need to provide something. I'm sorry. This is the thing. Yeah. Not building. Let's stop this. Start it again. Because I assume that's something like I want to build step by step to let the compiler guide me to the process. Okay. So if I have that, I will need to implement this first. Let's see. Come on! I'm so slow. Okay. There's something to do with my recording. This part is I don't know. Okay, so right now it's building. Let's see that we have something. We don't have anything here. Why is that? The state the application is using the view from Minesweeper view. And this. Okay, let's wrap it in a view. Why? It's not showing. So this should be this again. I have a high. Okay. Good. So this is not needed anymore. The view will come back later. The state. Let's provide an init first. So in the game logic, we need to build a field of mines. And we need to provide number of mines. Let's say 10 mines. And the number of cells I will want to make a square, so 8 by 8 will be. And we need to implement this in the game logic. Mines count and a size. I need to generate an array. So an easy thing to use is to use sequence unfold and to provide a function and an initial state. So the sequence unfold is it's a thing that will generate random mines and equally random empty fields, and I need to tell it how many mines I need to generate and how many empty fields. So I'll have a state mines count to generate initial. This will be the initial state, and size multiplied by size minus mines count empty fields to generate. So if this is my kind of state, I can use pattern matching here. Let's see how that will look like. So if I have a 0 and a 0, mines to generate 0 and empty fields will be 0, then I need to stop, and the unfold, if it's returning a none, will stop. So I need to return a none here. Otherwise, if I have 0 mines to generate and some empty fields to generate, I need to generate an empty field, and the new state will be 0 mines to generate and empties minus 1 more fields to generate. If I have mines to generate and no empty fields to generate, I will generate a mine and I will have mines minus 1, still more to generate, and no empty fields. And ouch. What? Yeah, I mess up. If I have, as I said, mines to generate and no empty fields. Come on, what's happening here? Then I need to generate a mine and I need to subtract 1 from the mines, and the empty fields will remain 0. And if I need to generate both mines and empties, I want to take a random value that can be a mine or an empty. Because I have a proportion between the mines and empties, I want to keep that proportion on generating items. So if mines is greater than the number generated, the random of, because I want to keep the proportion, I will keep here the sum, and so if this random number from 0 to number of the total items in my collection, if it's smaller than the number of the mines, I want to generate a mine, and I want to subtract one from the number of the mines to generate, and leave the empties alone. Otherwise, I want to generate an empty field, and I want to reduce the number of empty fields generated. Okay, and this will be my my generator function. Let's create the random thing. The random I want to return a function that will take a value and will return a random number between 0 and that value. I will return a function that will take a value and will return a random next of that value. And actually this is the signature of the random next. So I can return this random next. Okay. I want to return an array. So this will be the mine field, and I'll convert it to array. But I also want to count the mines nearby empty fields. So I will take this mine field, and I will map it with a function that will take an index and a box, and will match that box, or if it's a mine, or if it's a proximity. What was the name? Mine proximity. I want to return the box. Actually, the mine proximity, I cannot generate a mine proximity. I cannot encounter mine proximity because I don't generate mine proximity in this uncalled thing. But if it's an empty, I want to see if there is any mine nearby and count that mine. So I will need to get neighbor mines, and that will take what? The size and the current index, and for those mine indexes, and for those indexes I want to what? This will be a collection. I want to make a sum by if the mine field sum by neighbor index, if the mine field of neighbor index is a mine, so if it's a mine, I want to count it. Otherwise, if it's anything else, I want to discard it. So this will be a danger level for that field. So if my danger level, if 0 is equal to danger level, then I will return empty box, else I will return mine proximity of danger level. This is here. Okay. Okay. Let's create this thing then. So this will receive a size, a square size, and box index. And to get the neighbors, I need to transform the box index in coordinates. So let's have that. And probably I will need to convert them back. And I need to have a row, a column, and the size. Actually, let's put the size here. Let's move that here. Nice and like that. I already put it in the correct order. So this will be a row multiplied by the size and added the column. So both the box index, the row and column will be zero index, zero based index. So row and column will be the vector coordinates of size and box index. And I will have a sequence with 4 equal -1 to 1 do for column -1 to 1 do yield row and column. And with that sequence, I want to actually I can do it directly here. Okay, but I want to filter it by a function, a pattern matching actually, that will check what? If I have a row of -1 and everything else I don't care, or if I have anything else in the column of -1, I want to return false. If I have a row in the column when the row is equal my row and the column is equal my column, my current position, my current box index equivalent, then I need to return false because it's not a neighbor, it's the actual thing and I don't want it. Also, if I have a row that is greater or equal with the size or if I have a column that is greater or equal to the size, that means I'm leaving my square. So for all those cases, I also want to return false. Everything else, I think it's safe to return true. So these are my values, and I want to map this back to, let's do this as a tuple. Then I can do this sequence map of getIndex of size, and this, come on, will be like this. So getNeighbors will give me a sequence of box indexes. Super. So I have a generate minefield. So this is done. This well, it's okay. Let's implement the update now. The updating. I need to alter the model on the messages that are coming in. So I will need to create a new model based on the message type, and my message types are those two. So I can have a reveal box. What I should do on the reveal box? I will make a match against the type of the box. So model dot map of box index, and on the value of reveal from our map. So model dot reveal map try find box index. Let's see. Anything, and I found an open. The open is open and tag 9. Anything and I have an on open box, then nothing to do. Actually, let's do it like this. If I have a mine and anything else, then my game will be a model with game state equal last, And I will need to provide the box index to paint the background in red to show where the mistake was made. So last of box index, that means on the types, the last will receive detonated mine. So that is done. If it's already open, then will be a model. Nothing to do here. Otherwise, let's see the cases. If I have an empty and don't care what is here, I want to return a model with revealed equal model.revealed map, which I need to add the current box index and to tell it that it's open. And if I have, actually no, not just that, I need to reveal the rest of the empty fields. So this will match the mine proximity. Mine proximity of something. Let's save everything like this to be visible. If it's an empty and anything here, I need to model with revealed equal reveal empty fields and neighbors of my model, and I need to provide a box index to start with. Doesn't matter if I have instead of open that I have a flag or none. I don't think so, because the action is to reveal. Okay, that is that. And if I have a flag mine, I need to do what? First to check so I find box index. If it's open already, then I don't need to do anything. If it's not open, actually the flag I want to be a toggle flag. Okay. If it's some nugget mine, then I want to to remove that from the map model with revealed. And if it's a none, I want to add offlighted mine. Okay. So I have game 1 state. I don't game lost state. I don't have a game 1 state. So I need to check if the game was 1. So match model game state with 1. Nothing to do. It's a new model and the comment none. If it's a game lost, I need to return the new model. Comment none. Otherwise, if it's running, I want to what? Count the fields that needs to be open, and those are new model, map, array dot sum by function. If it's a mine, then I want to return 0. Otherwise, I want to return 1. This is static once the model was generated, so we can optimize it by putting it in the model, but it's not important. It's very short computation. And let's open it. Will be the new model. Let's rebuild. Sequence sum by a function that will take a key value pair from the map and will match the key value pair value against if it's open, I want to return on 1. Otherwise, I want to return a 0. So my game will be 1 if it's not lost, and those are equal. So we'll do new model with game with equal 1, common is none, else we done the new model and common is none. Good. I need to generate now to update the map for the empty field. Let's do that. What I need here, actually I think so I need the model.map. I need to get to the neighbors. I have a size here, I don't have it. So I have a minefield and a box. No, I will need the rebuild also to know if that was rebuild or not. Okay, let's use the model then. Model and the current and let's see. I will need to make a loop that will take updated rebuild map and a collection of indexes to visit, and we'll match that collection against an empty one or and the box index things to process. Okay, and I need to fire that loop with model that rebuild and a list of current box index. Nice. So if this I don't have any box to process, then I will return the updated rebuild thing. Otherwise, it means that I'm on, box index, and my my desire is to rebuild it. So first of all, I want to see if updated rebuild contains that box index. If it's a rebuild, I just need to continue the looping using the same thing, but continue with the rest of the boxes to process. Otherwise, if it's a flag thing or is not visited by the user, I want to look inside. So match what model.map.boxindex, that is the current box, and let's see if it's a mine. I don't want to rebuild it. Actually, I think this will be a failure in my logic, but again, it's enough to continue to process the rest of the boxes. If it's a mine proximity of phone number, what I want to loop against an updated map and index, and it's open, and continue with the rest of boxes to process. And if it's no empty field, come on, too much. I want to update that it's open, but to add more boxes to the processing. So boxes to process, and I want to add what? Get neighbors. And these are the neighbors. Expecting a size and box index. So I need to make a that will take will be a get neighbors. Mining indexes, and this again needs a size. The size I have a get size model map, I think. don't have a good size. No, I don't have it. Let's wait on. 4, 4, 9, 8. I need to rearrange and let it in upload, and then by square and convert it back to an int. And this can be typed like this. Okay. So get nearby of boxes. Yeah. Move it here. I will not need more parentheses. What? Yeah, I need to provide this as a list. Okay. This is done? I think so. So if I save everything, let's see if it's building. Okay. I forgot that I'm doing this for Fable. So I need to provide the minefield here. So it'll be a minefield. Okay. Let's see. Wow. Perfect. Let's do the view now. And the view is very, very simple. The view will be I know that Fable is using Bulma. I'm sorry, this is not my strongest part. So I need to have this title and subtitle. Let's create helpers. subtitle content. Actually, I think the content can be. I will not put too much things in the content, so I will have that. So I want to show a grid. Actually, let's do like this. I want to match the model game state. Wait. So the game, if the game is 1, I want to call show grid with congratulations 1. And we'll see what else. If the game is lost, and this one I said mine, I want to show the grid with that, and if the game is running, to show the grid like that. And the show grid will take the title and the dispatch, and will be a div that will have the following content. Okay. We need a model. So this will be, let's do like this. And you see what? A model and a dispatch. and coming down types now. So the model map, I want to array dot map is a function that will be received by this the length box. So I have an array that I want to convert it to a list, and with that list to put it in a div that has a mine field style. Also, so I have a title, I have my mine field, and I want to have a button with on click, a function that will take the event tags and will dispatch receive game action, and that. So my reset game, I want to be another kind of message. And the reset game must be in the state also. Yeah. And this will fall in its mindset. Yeah, first of init. Because the init is returning a model and a command, and this is just a new model. So it was easy like that to have a reset game action. So I need to provide a present box function. So this will be a show box thing that will receive what? The model, the box index. No, will receive first box index, the box, if it's the detonated bomb, the dispatcher don't need the bomb, the dispatcher. So this will be a show box of box index block, and box index equal detonated mine. Okay, let's visit follow. Okay. And if it's running, I want to show the grid. But instead of show box, I want to use show hotbox. Box index. The box. What else? Dispatcher. Okay. Um, okay. Let's see. The show box. The show box will be then a function that will take a box index, a box. Actually, the show box doesn't care about the box index, just about the box, and is detonated mine match box with. So if it's a mine, then I want to span let's say mine box. That will have that thing how it was. Mine pump. Yeah, it's fine. Fine. What's something with icon? There was show icon one. Okay. If it's a mine proximity, then actually this mine thing I must check if it's detonated mine also. So if it's a mine proximity, it will be a span of class name and this should have a number. So I need to mine box and follow number dash %e and nearby mines. And the content will be those nearby mines. I hope it's there. And if it's an empty thing, I just want a span with last name minebox and no content. Okay. I need to convert the nearby mines to string first. Icon label was a span with class name. Alright, I remember right icon that has internally on I with class name. And I will replace that with the label. And the I must have a content also. Okay. Let's see what is red. The show box is red. Why? Of course. Because of the order. This must be here. This must be here. And those, I don't have them here. So this, I can delete those directly. I don't know who that is. Okay. Let's make a function of box and box goes to show box of index polygon line of box index and box. Okay. I don't have a show hot box. And again, this must be here. And those. I don't need that. So let's show hot box of a dispatcher and the box index and the box. I want to I also need a model here. Actually, no, I want to just provide if model dot rebuild map try find my box index, and my function will be a function of box index. The box goes to that and the box index and the box. Oh, but it's used. Okay, where I put the model? I put a function that is returning, actually maybe so I need to match the maybe reveal it against let's see if it's sum open, then I just need to show a simple box false because it's the game running phase. And I need to provide box index and the box. Otherwise, if it's a flagged mine, I need to provide a button that has a class. Actually, let's put it on the next line. Has a class name minebox, and on click a function that takes the click event tags and will dispatch a reveal of box index. Okay, let's do it first. And if on context menu also a function that will take the right click event tags and will do what? Will actually I need the event default to not show the menu, and will dispatch the toggle blah 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 blah. What was the name? Toggle flag mine. And this will receive a box index to pass it as an argument. Just that. And I need to provide a content. And the content is a show icon of, let's see, let's have the question here. Okay, and I have another case when the user didn't visit the thing, and I also want a button but without content. So let's extract this in something else. So this will be a box. Like that. And also dispatch, box index, and nada. So let's use this like that. And have it like this. And provide it like this. Okay. It's bad. No more red. Let's see if it's building. And we still need to do some things to provide the styling. The styling, let's use the tasking. So I want to provide minefield that is a grid. I want to have a width. A height. I want to have a grid gap. Let's say 5 pixels. What else? I want to have a mine box with and height. Okay. What else? Mine box. Let's have a different cursor for those. And the color number also, I need to create color number. So this is hot mine box. So I will need to have come on. I was here. Let's keep it like that. To be consistent, it's important. Hot mine box. I want to have a cursor pointer. What else? The color number thing. The color number, I want to have shades. Forgot how to do. Oh. Okay. I think it's a red. And then B. Multiplied by 7%. And I need to have 8 colors. And I want to the lightest one to be the number 1. Actually, the build I can see here is so mine box, art mine box, minefield, color number. This is all. And I should see I have a save game. Oh, I forgot to put the grid templates. Okay, I need to show the grid. And that show the grid needs to add something. Style that has grid template columns and cells. And rows is only create numbers of things and basically and I need to get the size of model dot map. And more as a pointer is correct. And then the read it has it's on the wrong thing. Ouch. I put it on the wrong thing. So here the style must be and now ladies and gentlemen we should have a thing. Really? I forgot to put the red thing. I forget to put the red thing, and that is here. It's a mine. So if is detonated mine, then mine box detonated, else mine box. And I need to wait a detonated also. Okay. Compiling. Have a let's make it look nicer. So if it's a mine box, I'll have that. If it's a hot mine box, I want to be like that. Also, I want to increase the fonts. What else? Let's see one. I want, yeah, nice. I want to be centered. I want to be centered, and that means mine box. Align. Justify. Nice. Um, justify content. Center. I don't like the shades. So keep it like that. Okay. I need to know. This is still not centered. Better shades. Mm, Fine items. Come on! Why is so small? Yes! Display line flex was the thing. So, this is working. Let's test the one condition. So in the state, when we are generating mines, let's generate just 2 mines. This is the working game. So the sources will be available. I will give them give you on the Slack. I think I'll put it on YouTube also, so you'll find there everything you need. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.